Hey guys, so finally we do have a Galaxy Note 5 here, and this has just arrived today, so we wanted to do a quick little unboxing and first look of the device. And you pretty much know my thoughts about this device. I don't know whether I am going to enjoy it or not, but we can definitely keep an open mind here. I have had to import this in because Samsung, in their infinite knowledge, thought that I didn't want this device being in Europe, but you can import it in from a number of different places. So I'm sure you're aware of the specs, and we can just get it open here to see what we're getting. And we can just lift this up now, hopefully, and have a look at the device here. Wow, first impression is wooing me over here already. Let's just get at the... Wow, that feels fantastic. Oh, Samsung knows how to build a phone. I think I said that last time for the Galaxy S6 series. That is a very nice looking handset, but how does it perform? That is the main kind of question here. You can see we do get some extras in there, which probably I might need to use a local charger. We should put that to the side for a sec. Have a look at the big boy. Well, in fact, it doesn't actually feel that big. It feels nice. Get some unpeeling here. Wow. Feel the power. That feels really nice. So Samsung definitely made some controversial decisions with this handset, but the first impression here, this is a quality device. You can see that a lot of attention to detail has been put into this, and you can just unpeel this. Wow, that is very nice. I think that will complement my S6 Edge very nicely. And can have a quick look here how it looks against some other very nice Samsung devices. You can see very similar actually to the Galaxy A8. The Galaxy A8 I think a little bit thinner here, but the back on the Note 5 here, you can see is glass versus plastic. And we do have the previous Note, one of my daily drivers. You can see I do love this device here, but will the Note 5 be able to win me over? Who knows. We can power it on though and get rid of that knife getting in the way of things. So Galaxy Note 5, no space. Wonder why that is. So it looks like this has come from Korea. Wow, that was a quick boot up. That screen, that is very nice. And it looks like someone's already been in here and set it up for me, so I don't have to go through any nonsense. That screen is absolutely expansive. Wow, I mean, I thought the Galaxy A8's bezels were thin, but look at that. That's just ridiculous. I didn't actually realise they were that thin. So you can see we do have this weird TouchWiz here, and a whole load of apps here which I might have to uninstall, and a software update. And what are we running? So we are running Android 5.1.1, very nice. So I will definitely obviously be testing this one here to see, whoa, if it meets my expectations. Hopefully it will. It looks like a very quality device here. 4 gigs of RAM obviously, so very powerful indeed. But yeah, just a quick little video here unboxing the Note 5. Hope you enjoy, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.